Imagine running an entire company serving hundreds of clients, responding to thousands of messages, and closing deals 24/7 without moving a single finger. In 2026, business automation is no longer a luxury, it has become a matter of life or death for companies. Today, through deep research, we will reveal exactly how artificial intelligence transformed from a simple chat tool into a super employee running the back-end departments of major corporations, and how you can exploit this industry to build your own business. Traditional automation used to stop functioning if data formats changed, relying on rigid, if this, then that rules. Today, intelligent AI business automation uses agentic workflows. These autonomous AI agents can read completely unstructured emails, understand an angry customer's mood, draft a highly personalized solution, and update databases instantly. Recent statistics show that companies adopting smart automation are cutting operational expenses by up to 40% while doubling output efficiency. To build these integrated automated ecosystems, you need a solid core architecture. First, the nervous system. Connection platforms like Make.com and Zapier, which link different apps together. Second, the brain of the system, integrating advanced large language models like GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 to process text and make contextual decisions inside the workflow. Finally, the memory core, utilizing dynamic databases like Airtable or Notion to instantly store, organize, and present extracted data cleanly to the clients. Let's look at a real-world case study of automating e-commerce customer service and sales. Step 1. A customer sends a complex product inquiry via WhatsApp. Step 2. The automation engine captures the message, analyzes intent via AI, and queries live inventory logs in Airtable. Step 3. The system shoots back a highly personalized, smart response with a direct payment link within 4 seconds. Step 4. Upon successful payment, an invoice is generated, and the shipping carrier is automatically notified without human intervention. When launching your channel, you must navigate the updated search algorithms. Platforms now actively scan for AI slop, meaning low-quality, fully automated content generated with a single click. To unlock massive organic growth and high ranking, follow the golden formula: 50% AI assistance for generating concepts, drafting B-rolls, or refining sound quality, and 50% human effort dedicated to editing, scripting original insights, adding personal experience, and using strategic long-tail keywords like how to build an automated customer service system for startups rather than just generic tags. The future waits for no one, and companies that do not adopt automation today will disappear tomorrow. If you want to enter this field as a creator or a business owner, start now by mastering a single tool like Make.com and launch your first integration. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for our upcoming step-by-step technical series, and drop a comment below. What is the most repetitive task you wish AI could automate for you today?